Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Christmas in July. Okay, recently wigstudio1.com had an extra little percentage off of their clearance section. Now watch that clearance section over there. It's updated almost daily and they have some amazing buys over there. So when they were having that little extra percentage off of clearance, I bought some wigs. And don't we all feel when we get hair mail, it's like Christmas? So I thought, it's Christmas in July. Let's talk about it. So again, keep your eye on the clearance section at wigstudio1.com. Now, this is not going to be a full review. I'm just going to unbox these, try them on, play with them a little bit, let you see what I got. I just want to do a short video on these and then I will do full reviews coming up later, so be sure to watch for that. Okay, let's get started and have some fun with Christmas in July. Okay, first up, I just wanted to mention I am wearing my Ellen Wille Turn in Champagne Rooted. This is such a cute style. Just let you have a look at it. I'm going to do a full review of this one coming up, so like I said, just keep an eye out for that. All right, first up, now I have not opened these boxes. I took them out of the cardboard boxes they came in and I left them just like this because I want you to be the first to see them with me. Now some of these I have reviewed before, but I picked up some more on clearance. This is Spice Girl, Belle Tress Spice Girl. Of course, it's heat-friendly fibers and the color is Honey with Chai Latte. Alright, like this. They box it with this, it has a piece of cardboard over it that protects the wig. I think that's really nice when Belle Tress does that. It comes with a hairnet. I have Spice Girl in, I'm not sure if I have this color or another color, but I like it because this is a really nice low density style. If you're looking for something very low density, you might have a look at Spice Girl. Look how pretty this is, this bob. Now Honey with Chai Latte does have this darker root. So it is a medium brown root on this one. Honey blonde, it has some pale gold blonde through here, but there's a lot of gold in this wig. Let's look at the inside of the cap. It has a lace front and a mono part. Open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, has an extended felt nape, and it has pull adjusters on this one. So yeah. Okay, let's slip it on. Okay, let's give it a good shake and try on Spice Girl. Okay, first of all, this is large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this is definitely large on me. Honey with Chai Latte, I'm going to pull this part out just a little. Like I said, wow, super low density. Okay, let's have a look at it. I really enjoy Belle Tress fibers. I like the heat-friendly fibers. I like that they are not shiny. I just think they are so easy to work with. Yes, they do require a little more work. I use a little detangler every time I take it off, and you know, as you need to on the end, you'll need to add some heat. I just have some water here. I just like to spray it with a little water. See what I'm working with. I like to separate my fibers. Now, this wig has always reminded me of John Renault at Night. If you are familiar with Ignite, this is kind of that same vibe as Ignite, but in a lower density. Now, you might want to steam this off your face if you feel like this is falling in your face. This one actually isn't too much, but this color, I'm going to let you have a look again with the darker medium brown rooting, honey blonde, and then this pale gold blonde. Now I have these pieces that are falling, so I would probably steam those, or for a more just a little fix, I'll take a little hairspray and I will spray it across the front, and that will hold it off your face temporarily. But if you want a permanent fix, you'll have to steam the front of this. You can wear it behind your ears. Now this has a length the sides are 9 to 13 and a half on this one, just to give you some idea of the specs. The nape on this is short. It's 3.5 inches. It fits nice to the neck. It's not lifting in any way. That's nice. Let's see. I like the lace front. You can put this on with a headband, tuck it behind your ear, or on both sides if you like. Wear it like that. Okay, let me show you the coverage. There's my bow hair here, and the ear tab fits right above my ear. Looking for a low density style, have a look at Beltress Spice Girl. Okay, up next, Ellen Wille Area. It is part of the Elements collection. I have it in sandy blonde toned. I reviewed this wig before. Yeah, this is a nice style. See how it comes packaged. It's in a hairnet. Okay. Sandy blonde toned. Such a pretty color. They do such nice blending and shading on these wigs, I think. Let me show you the inside of the cap first. Okay, so this has this little mono crown on this one, right here. Basic cap here, just the mono crown on this one. Okay, it has closed ear tabs with stays. It's also open wefted, and it has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Has some stretch going on here. Now let's look at sandy blonde toned. It is so pretty. Look at this, medium brown root. Now this also has some golden blonde, medium ash blonde running through here, all on that medium brown root. The rooting's not overdone on this one at all, as you can see. Very well blended. I love the ash running through here, and then the golden blonde. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's try on Area. Again, basic cap. This fits me perfectly with a 21¼ inch head circumference. I will not need to do any adjustment on this one. It has a little tag here. Let me pull that off. Okay. Even though this is a basic cap, this is not a lot of permatease. This is low density. You can see this. But it is a basic cap, so it's a more affordable price there. I'm going to take out this zigzag parting. And I'm going to spray it with some water. This is a nice length, I think. The front of this is 7.5. The crown's 10. Sides are 6.5, and this one has a 5-inch nape. So it has nice, I like the flippy little ends on this. Nice little style. Show you the back. I think this color is so pretty. Sandy blonde tone. You can get a look at the rooting here. And the ash blonde, you can really see these blonde highlights going through. And then this golden blonde. Yeah, that's pretty. Really pretty. Okay. The band, of course. I like the longer bang here, the front of 7.5. You can kind of just sweep that over to the side. Yeah, this is a nice length. If you want something that has a little length to it, but it's not too long, not too short, this has a nice length, I think. Very easy to wear. Very, very casual. Out of the box. You saw me take it out, throw it on, throw some water through it, and you are out the door. Even though this does not have a lace front, you can certainly wear this off your face just by pulling it over, and you can put a little clip in it like that and just wear it swooped over just a little bit. The coverage, there's my bow hair right above my ear, just a little above my ear here, right there. And again, this fits me perfectly with my 21¼ inch head. Okay, Ellen Wille Area. Okay, up next, John Renault, Caelen, and Venice Blonde. Now, the two we've previously looked at, I have had in the past. I have never tried this one. So I am excited to try it as part of the Nouveau collection. And again, I have it in color Venice Blonde. Okay, get it out here. Has a cap, and there's some bobby pins here. Let me get this out. All right. Venice Blonde. That's such a pretty color, I think, too. Okay, let's look at the cap. It is a basic cap. Got a feeling there's going to be a good bit of permatease in here. Basic cap construction, closed ear tabs, extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, lots of stretch here. But yeah, I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of permatease. I don't know. I've never tried it. Okay, let's look at the beautiful Venice Blonde. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at these waves. What a beautiful wavy style. Medium brown root on this one also, Venice Blonde. And this was blended so pretty. It has some light ash blonde and a natural blonde. So this is a very natural blonde wig. Light ash, light natural blondes running through here. Okay, I want to see what this looks like on. Okay, let's try on Caelen. Lots of hair here. Yes, this fits me. I don't think I really would need to adjust this any. It's a nice fit, curly style, but lots of permatease here, a lot. A lot of hair on this wig, just so you know, lots of fibers here, curly. This is pretty. If you like a lot of fiber, really full, you'll like this wig because it certainly has that. It is not low density. I think they call this a medium density. And keep in mind, this is just my opinion. I love permatease. Love it. You know that. You ever watch my videos, you know I'm all about the permatease. This has a lot of permatease. So just giving you a heads up there. You've probably seen a lot of reviews on this already. Lots of hair through here. Very pillowy here. Just all through. But wow, look at these gorgeous curls. It's so pretty. I want to make sure you see all of these beautiful waves. In this color. Now this has a 10.75 inch bang on this one. So that's a nice long bang. The crown's 10.5. 8.5 inch sides, and this long 7 inch nape. Wow, Venice Blonde is such a pretty color. It really is. Now let's see. I want to take this zigzag part out a little bit if I can, just to see how that looks. Keep in mind this is a basic cap. Yeah, that's better. Just taking that part out. Soften that up, and I'm going to run my wide tooth comb through it. Now normally I don't usually on curly styles run my comb through them too much. I just want to do it on this one to see how this will soften this up, and it does really soften the look of this by just running your wide tooth comb through there. You could wear this behind your ears. It's a pretty style. Okay, I'll show you coverage. Really good coverage here. Ear tab almost to my ear there. Now you could make this super big. You could get your hands in this and really make this big hair if you would like. I'm going to do a full review on this, and I'll have a lot of styling options and different ways to wear it. Like I said, this is a lot of hair, a lot of fiber, but I can tell already you could do some really fun styling with this. You can get this up off your face for the summertime. There's a lot of things you can do with this, and I will have that coming up in a full review. Okay, so the last one I have is Beltress Caliente, Heat Friendly, and Sumptuous Strawberry. One of my favorite all-time Beltress colors. I just think Caliente is a nice style, and I love Sumptuous Strawberry. Okay. Take it out of the hairnet. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I just love it. Okay, lace front, mono part. I've reviewed Caliente several times, so if you want to see a full review, check out my YouTube channel. All right, closed ear tabs with stays, open wefting, extended nape. Now this one has pull adjusters. Not a huge amount of stretch here, but let's just look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful color. This wig also comes in a hand-tied cap, just to let you know. So pure red. It has strawberry blonde. There's some honey tones running through this, copper tones, honey blonde tones. There is so much going on here. So many different beautiful tones. And then it has this medium brown root. Again, I do not think the root is overdone. Let's try on Caliente. Okay, here we go. Caliente is large on me. I would definitely always need to adjust it for sure. And it's low density. Oh, I love this wig. I think it is just so pretty. And these, just enough wave here. Now, it is not the lowest density in the world. It is lower density. I should phrase it like that. There is a hand-tied version that, of course, is very low density, but there is not a huge amount of hair here. As you can see, it lays pretty flat. Let me show you now. The nape of this is 5. So much movement on this. Front is 7 to 12.5. Back is 12.5. And like I said, 5-inch nape. So it has this overall of 5 to 12.5. This wig, in my opinion, is just gorgeous. I think so many people can wear this wig. So many different face shapes. It comes in just a lot of colors. You can pull this off if you'd like. Take it completely off your face for summer. If you want to get it up off your neck, you can do that. There's so much you can do with this wig. You know, these beach waves are so popular. They really are. They're easy to wear. They're messy. Just let it be messy. That's what it's supposed to do. Just get your hands in there and mess it up and enjoy it. It is a beautiful style. All right, I hope you enjoyed that little Christmas in July. Again, be sure to check out Wig Studio One, the clearance section. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I have some fun things happening on Instagram, so be sure to check that out. Crazywiglady on Instagram. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.